An adapter will be needed if we are working on a recycler. Then we got to go to project, and here right click and create a new Java class. Give its name as adapter. Offer viewpager adapter. Okay, so now we have to complete this first of all, then we'll move forward. Just like that, extends pager adapter, implement all the methods. Okay, then remove this controller and replace all. Yeah, doing the same. Then we gotta have few more things like context we have first of all, so adding the context here, and then we have an array list of string, and now for list is the name for this particular array list. Then we have to generate constructor, alt plus insert, or right click, go to generate, then you can get this constructor, or you can type. Okay, now we have this initiate item, then we have to remove this, yeah, up to this, yeah. And then what next can be done with that is check this out, remove this, and then make some space here and add a view, and for that view add layout inflator here and start work over that inflator. Yeah, so just like that. Yeah, and now like item, it will show error because we haven't created yet, so I have to create it. Just right click over there. So first let's go to this adapter one and try to do it like container, and then attach to root, make it false. Then we got to add a text view here, so text offer, and then view.find.r.id. then we are leaving it for now as we haven't created that thing within that XML, that's why r.id only. Then we have the set text color like this. Okay, container dot add view, we have add view, then we got to return this. Okay, no issues. And now let's see this get count. So here we have to return this, okay, offer list dot size. Then we have this return v equals cost to object. Okay, almost there. Then we have this destroy items. We have to get the view within this view equals to, then typecast it, and then gotta get the object, then container dot remove view pass view to it. Okay, remove this annotation part successfully. Just replace it Ctrl R. If you are not getting it, then it's very good. Okay, then let me come to this XML design part and try to code the design for this particular offer. Okay, so now just remove this whole thing, then add a card view first of all, as we're gonna work on the card view, and then we're gonna have few more properties for this card view. Okay, so what else can be done for this? Let's just check it out. Like padding and margin we are adding, and then we have like this. Okay, we have this background color also, Then card corner radius is taken as 70p. Gotta add the elevation. Let's check elevation is there, yes, and then we have to just make it like this, and then we have to add linear layout here. So linear layout with width and height as match parent and wrap content. Also the orientation is taken as horizontal. Now add the text view here, and the text view should have properties like this. Okay, match parent and wrap content. Gravity is center for this particular text view. Then we got add the padding also, so added the padding part, and then text is added. Then we have the text offer finally, and then text styling is there. So let me add the text styling, yeah, and then we have close this, yeah. Again let me see what else we have, and then we gonna do work over there. So now can give the ID for this as of a game. Okay, also there is one error because we have made a silly mistake here. Remove this color from here. Okay, now you can see this says error free, and now we can come up to our offer fragment, and within this offer fragment we'll do the rest. Okay, so we have that adapter. Initialize that adapter right now. New offer view pager adapter, pass the context as well as the array to it. Okay, then we have view pager dot set adapter, and then we're gonna pass this adapter to this. Okay, again we have view pager dot set clip to padding, make it false, and then we have, let me see, view pager dot set padding, make it 40 0 40 20. Okay, again we have view pager like that, and then again I saw page margin as 20. Okay, and then add bottom dots. This function will take it from the previous class that we have make this function yet, or also we can choose it to code by ourselves here for this add bottom dots. So let me search for it first of all and get that function from there. So just copy this out, and just like that copy this out, copy the body of this function, Control C, go back, and here we have to we need parameters. Like first of all get that parameter current page, and then we're gonna pass it like this, Control V. Okay, make it like offer array. Okay, no issues, everything is fine till now. Yet what else can be done? Let me see. First of all this on detach, then timer dot cancel, yeah, and now this on detach is done. After that the initiate views function is completed, and now what I gonna do is to come within this on create view. Here we gonna create a array list for dealer model type, yeah. Then I'm gonna name it like offline merchant list, and then we have the array list of initial capacity that will decide whenever we'll giving this elements. Okay, so here I'm adding the elements to this offline merchant list. So we have to give the values, like whatever values you can give, it's your choice. So like I am giving like Starbucks, and then we gonna give the discount offer as flat, and then we gonna add the discount amount also here, plus like add 39. okay, and then we have the discount way actually, so gonna add this like cashback. And now what else we have, it's like valid once per user. It's like a terms and condition kind of thing for this. Okay, so just copy this and paste it here. Okay, I just press Ctrl C Ctrl V, copy the whole line and then paste it here. Now I'm gonna change make change within this. So let me do that right now. So I have to change this first of all. So change is like McDonald's, make it like that, McDonald's. Yeah, then we have a discount offer, and like all these things you can change according to yourself, like whatever offer you want to add, whatever heading that you want to add, all this you can do by yourself. It's just a text, not any code, and you can manipulate the text according to your need. Okay, then we're gonna get this gain rupees. Now we'll change the amount here so that the both items can be differentiable based on their issues. Yeah, so valid for new user. Okay, so valid for new user, like for new user only. Okay, again you have to copy this and paste it here, and then make change within this, like whatever changes you want. Like I'm adding metro, and then I'm adding flat, and then rupees also, these things. Yeah, here you can change it like for bill payment of P50, no 500. Yeah, just a text. Can add this like ticket payment instead of bill payment for metro. Yeah, that will gonna be a better choice if we see. Then we have this geo recharge, and then gonna give values there flat to make it cashback, and then like 99 to change it like 55 and make it discount way, not a freebie. So change it, and instead of that you can add wallet. Okay, as some of the applications offer wallet thing also. Yeah, like you will receive the cashback within the wallet only, not in your bank account. Like you can take up example of various applications, like MobiQuick is one of them. It offers super cash for the user. Okay, yeah, so change this line also. So I'm gonna change it like whatever you want to add within this, like once per user or only for first transaction, you can add it like this. Then what you gonna do next is to, let me check it. Yeah, so adapter equals to new dealer adapter, and we're gonna pass the context to this, and then we're gonna pass this offline merchant list. Yes, and then we're gonna do it like this: dealer recycler dot set adapter, and pass out the adapter to it. So doing it like this: array list, and then making one more array list for online merchant list, as we have two recycler views, if you remember the XML code or the mapping also, like in initiate view. And now this for online deal list, so it's also the same, but the text will change and then it will appear within that recycler. So we are just making an array list and passing the context as well as the array list, different array list for different recycler views to show up the items. Okay, yeah, so new dealer model, and then to add the dealer name like Zomato, and then we have like offer, get 20% off, and just like that. So adding all these things, then cashback. Okay, and we have to give the discount details also here, so we'll giving the discount details here only. Yeah, and within the details, what else can be added? Like valid twice per user. Some applications like it offers this is valid twice per user, and all these things. This can also be done here, like copy this and paste this up to 4-5 times. Yeah, and then you just have to change within this text so that the elements of this array list can be deferred. So I'm gonna make change, like first of all we'll change this heading part, the discount detail, like for new user only. And then what I gonna do for the next one I'm changing its value, like it's Sun Cinema, and then get like whatever you want to add, 50% cashback and all these things as per user, or like online booking, first time booking. All these things are the options, like book 4 tickets and get 50% off. This kind of offers you have already listened. So make change to this, like Practo Medicine app, and then discount amount, and here you're gonna add the discount detail as per your choice, or make it like this only. Okay, now you should now the same thing, adapter, and set the adapter. So adapter, then new dealer adapter, pass the contact as well as the online dealer list array to this, and then we're gonna set the adapter. Yeah, so set it. So setting this adapter, set this, pass out adapter to it. Yeah, almost done. The adapter is set it for this offer fragments. All the adapters, like we have the dealer adapter, then we have a dealer online adapter, and dealer adapter means that dealer recycler refers to that offline one, and dealer recycler is having the online as its text appears to be. Okay, So now what I gonna do next is to just let me scroll it first of all here. So here what you gonna do is to make another array list, and this is of like offer model only. Okay, so offer model, that is offer list we are creating right now, and then we need to add items for this offer model. Okay, we have offer on, like first of all we have to add the triple like this bills, and then I think we are making some mistake here, like this is having a string part firstly and then there the image exists. Okay, so we can check the same thing while going to this model, which is located under the model package. As we follow up a structure, like you can see it's an MVC. Yeah. So for this it will be showing the error if we go down, but let's check and see what happened. And within this we have to pass out 25% cashback. Okay, then appear this, copy this to 3 times, then add the text according to yourself here. Like I'm adding electricity bill payment and all these things. You can change it according to your need. Okay, no issues. And then what we gonna do is to this water bill. Yeah, now we need an adapter.